Why?
See other people here. See other people here.
Why?
See other people here. See other people come. God, you are faithful. Oh my God! Oh my God! They've carried our friends. We're just coming from Kaduna. Today is 21st November 2021. Oh my God! The Lord is faithful. Thank you for saving our lives. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. 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 Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un.
This is life kidnapping. This is kidnapping life in broad daylight. Thank God for our life on the 21st of November 2001. Thank you, God, for saving us. You got my Jesus. Thank you, God. Life one. Correct. You can hear the gunshots.
What is faithful?
You can hear the gunshots. It's leader.
What is faithful?
Correct. You can hear the gunshots.
What is faithful?
You can hear the gunshots. Scaring them away. You can hear the gunshots. Live gunfire going on.
God is faithful.
Gunfire going on.
Yes, sir. They find somebody.
They don't carry. They have kidnapped some people. What happened? La ilaha illallah. Oh God. Let's ask some people. So someone has been shot. He's shit right inside his car. Oh God. He's happening live on our way back. Oh shit, he's been shot. He's been shot. Under! Individual! Yeah! Individual! God! What did I tell you? Individual! Hey, it's Gabokibu!
They carry our friend.
Hey, they don't carry our friend.
Hey, see our friend. Hey, Jesus.
I tell you, say this car.
Hey.
You say me also my motor.
Hey, Jesus, they carry our friend.
Oh God. Oh God of creation.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, don't leave here before. Keep any
Oh God.
Why?
See other people here. See other people here.
Why?
See other people here. See other people come. God, you are faithful. Oh my God! Oh my God! They've carried our friends. We're just coming from Kaduna. Today is 21st November 2021. Oh my God! The Lord is faithful. Thank you for saving our lives. Thank you.